Hi everyone, welcome to my channel Sahasra. This Sahasra channel helps you and motivates you to lead a happy life. Before 10 years, I have nothing. How to handle the situation, how to mingle with people, how to live a happy life, really I don't know. Slowly, have started to reading the books. The books I read her helped me to understand myself, to know myself, because knowing one true self is main point to understand the other person. In this busy life, you won't find time to read books. This channel will give you the essence of the inspirational books. I want to give main points need to remember in our day-to-day life to achieve success. If you inject these good points into your personal and professional life, you will definitely get success, because the success is not belongs to one person, one age or one group. This is my first video. I will start the video with the most inspirational book, Gita Darshanam. In this book, you will find so much information that really helps you to develop yourself. To get more work from yourself, I will give some of the important points to be remembered whenever you want to get success. The first and foremost point I got from Gita Darshanam is, no acts are done by mere desire. They are done only by diligence or efforts. The deer do not enter the mouth of the sleeping lion. That means desires only not sufficient to get your or to reach your goals. You should give your best in the form of work to reach your goal. The second point is, if you want peace of mind, do not find fault with others. Rather see your own faults. We often judge the people. Finding faults in others is fun to us. If you show one finger on others, three fingers will turn towards you. The third point is, all the strength and succor you want is within yourself. Therefore, make your own future. Let the dead past bury its dead. Don't dwell on past. Bygone is bygone. Be in the present. Be in the present only helps you to reach your goal. The fourth point I got from the Gita Darshanam is, all the power is within you. You can do anything and everything. Believe in that. Do not believe that you are weak. Stand up and express the divinity within you. Nothing makes you weak. You and your thoughts makes you weak. And the fifth point is, you can improve your concentration by repeating the names of God for 15 or 20,000 times each day. People says that I have less concentration power. No problem. You can increase your concentration levels by chanting your favorite God name for 15 to 20,000 times a day, and practice this tip for at least 21 days. Definitely your concentration power will be improved. And the sixth point is, do not spend your energy in talking, but meditate in silence, and do not let the rush of the outside world disturbs you. Store energy for your work. The seventh point I got from the Gita Darshanam is, mind is a minas. It is also an ocean of peace. It can make a hell. It can also show us the heaven. It is in your hands only. Like a switch, you can change your mind and thoughts from hell to heaven. Eighth point is, arise, awake, and stop not till the goal is reached. Don't stop practice until you reach your final goal. The ninth point is, there is no limit to the power of human mind. The more concentrated it is, the more power is brought to bear on one point, that is the secret of success. The last point is faith, faith, faith. Faith is the secret of success. You should have a faith on yourself. If you inject these 10 points into your day-to-day life, definitely you will reach goal. Definitely you will reach your goal. Thank you very much for watching this video. Soon I will update with the another inspirational book. Thank you once again.